Unraveling the power of subordinating conjunctions. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, the realm of subordinating conjunctions. These are powerful tools to express complex thoughts and show the relationships between clauses in your writing. Ready to become a master of subordinating conjunctions? Let's get started. In the English language, conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Subordinating conjunctions are a specific type that connects a main clause and a subordinate clause, creating a complex sentence. They can illustrate various relationships such as time, cause-effect, contrast, and condition. Common subordinating conjunctions include words like because, although, after, unless, and many more. For instance, in the sentence, I study hard because I want to pass the exam. Because is the subordinating conjunction that links the main clause, I study hard, with the subordinate clause, I want to pass the exam. One common use of subordinating conjunctions is to show a relationship of time between two events. Words such as before, after, while, when, and until help us illustrate this. Consider the sentence, she finished her homework before she went to the park. Before here shows that one action happened earlier than the other. Subordinating conjunctions can also show a cause-effect relationship between two ideas. Words like because, since, and so that often fulfill this role. For instance, I brought an umbrella because it was raining. In this sentence, because indicates the reason behind the action of bringing an umbrella. Conjunctions such as although, even though, and despite can be used to show contrast or contradiction between two ideas. Take the sentence, although he was tired, he continued to study for the test. Here, although introduces a contrasting idea to the main clause. To express a condition, we use subordinating conjunctions like if, unless, as long as, and provided that. In the sentence, you can play video games if you finish your homework, if sets a condition that must be fulfilled before the action in the main clause can happen. That wraps up our journey through the world of subordinating conjunctions. Remember, these conjunctions are key to making your English sentences more diverse and meaningful by showing relationships between ideas. Practice using different subordinating conjunctions in your writing to make your ideas flow more naturally. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy learning!